Let's go to the box. This is brother on your side. So this is the box that I received this morning. So this is HL L2390DW compact laser multifunction copier. So it says fast print speed up to 32 ppm black, double-sided printing, which is good, and wireless connection, print from your mobile device. So looks like you can print this one if you have like a PDF file at your cell phone. I think you can print this one on your cell phone, but you need to connect it to the internet or the Wi-Fi. So it's like 25 sheets paper capacity, 300 page replacement tuner, pre-support for the life of the product. So it says convenient copying and scanning. So this is the exact image of this printer, and print and copy, scan. So this is the reader's choice number, and we go to the top of the box. This is his number, and then as you see, this is his toner and drum. So using TN 730 and TN 760 and DR 730. So this is the cartridge, like the ink, the toner, and also the black drum unit. So this is the operating system requirements for your computer. So operating system versions, so you can use it Windows 8 above. So this printer only can run on the Windows 8 and above. On the Mac OS 10.10.5 version above. So that's the full, and then full system requirements, you can go to support.brother.ca, and so this is how. So it's like requires connection to the wireless network. So this is all the things. TN670. So this is the drum and the tuner. So this is the one include. So there's installation CD-ROM, including the tuner and some user manual. Print cable on this one is not included, as you see. So let's go to the other side. So that's the address. This is shipped from Calgary. So this is the other version of other language version. This is like a French version. So let's go to the other side. So here you go. This is compatible with Windows, with Mac AirPrint. It means like a Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's like Wi-Fi, it's certified. Okay, I'm excited to open this one, and let's see. Let's open this one. There you go. I'm excited because this one I can scan. You can scan your image, you can scan photos, you can scan and then send it through email right away, or you can like save it to your computer and everything. So this is the installation driver and utilities. So you can see there's the Windows. Oh, you can use it Windows 7. Oh, I think it's a server, but we'll see. But I have a Windows 10, so it doesn't really affect this one. So this is the user guide, quick setup user guide. And doing that. And this one here. Oh, this is the tuner. I think that's a drum or tuner. And there you go. This is the laser printer copier scan. So genuine, rather genuine TN730. This is the tuner cartridge, and the drum is 760. LHL2390DW. You can see this is like, this is the power on, scan, copy scan options, 2-in-1 ID copy. So this one is scanning or copying, and this is the Wi-Fi. So you need to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then you can print it from your cell phone. It's scanning, and there's a menu, clear, and then stop, exit, and start. I'm going to bring this one out and we'll see. Just take another look here. So that's the power cord. Here you go. This is the printer. I think this is where you're going to put your paper. There's just the sizes of the paper here, A5, A4, and A6, and you can adjust it somehow. I'm not really sure how to adjust it. Here you go. This is the one you can adjust it. Oh yeah, this is the one you can adjust your to use other size of the paper. So this is the A4 size. There you go. Maybe I can try to put some paper. So you have this paper here. Let's see. Okay. So that one close out. And this is the one. This is where you're going to scan your paper. Example, you have this, and then you can like go here and scan it. And then if it's like double side, and then you just like go there and scan and close it. And then you can like operate here. Some instruction. I think this is the one going out to paper. going to the back. So that's the cord, and this is the back of the paper cartridge. So this is the serial number here if you want to put this one on warranty. I think that's the process that's on the user guide manual. I think this is the one you connect to your computer, but this one doesn't have any connection cable, but I have something here. So I knew that there's no cable, so I just like brought this one, a Signia USB 2.0 A to B cable. So if you're buying this, you need to buy this one. I'm going to give you some link. I'm going to link this printer, and then you can buy it on Amazon. And then on the Amazon, you can, for example, you're going to purchase it today, and then you're gonna have it for about 3 days. It's really quick. So this one here is like this, and the other end's supposed to be like this, and the USB on the other side. So you need to do is make sure it's plug in like that, and you're good to go. Just plug into your computer and just like follow the setup guide on your computer, but run the CD-ROM, the CD that included in this printer. Okay, there you have it. This is my new brother printer. If you want to buy this printer, I will put the link below on the description of this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.